Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have gadget for anyone who's tired of losing track of their essentials. Meet the Tile Slim by Life 360, a super slim, powerful tracker designed to keep you connected with the things you care about most. From wallets to phones, and even as a personal safety tool, this little device has some big features, so let's get right into it. If you're constantly misplacing essentials like your wallet or phone, the Tile by Life 360 Slim could be a game changer. This super thin Bluetooth tracker, released in 2024, is built to make life easier. Slide it into your wallet, attach it to luggage, or tuck it into a passport cover. With a sleek, compact design at just 0.1 inches thick, the Tile Slim is ideal for everyday items. It's compatible with both iOS and Android, and Life 360 users can even link it to their Circle to keep track of family items in one place. The Tile Slim isn't just thin, it's powerful. With a 350-foot Bluetooth range, finding your things is easier than ever. Just open the Tile app and hit Find to make it ring. For those times when your phone plays hide and seek, simply press the Tile button twice, and your phone will ring even if it's silenced. The built-in SOS feature adds an extra layer of safety. In an emergency, you can discreetly send an alert to loved ones in your Life 360 circle, making it more than just a tracker. Tile Slim's battery is another big plus. It lasts up to 3 years without needing a charge. That means you don't have to worry about constant recharging. Plus, it's water-resistant with an IP68 rating, so it's protected from spills or rainy weather. The Tile Slim is a perfect companion for frequent travelers, musicians, and anyone who values security and convenience. And with its versatile uses, it's a great way to safeguard against losing valuable items. Whether as a gift or a personal safety tool, the Tile Slim by Life 360 is both thoughtful and functional. With its easy setup and reliability, it's designed to bring peace of mind. So if you're looking to keep track of essentials or make life a little easier, this tile tracker might be just what you need. If you're ready to stop searching for lost items and start feeling secure, the Tile Slim could be exactly what you need. It's compact, easy to use, and packed with features to help you stay connected. So if this sounds like the game changer for you, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.